So NH2 or NH2, these are regarded as 1 degree amines. R dash NH, this is regarded as 2 degree amines. R dash R double dash N, this is regarded as 3 degree amines. So amines are the derivatives of ammonia. Write down. Amines are the derivatives of ammonia. They are derived from ammonia. Derivatives of ammonia. Now, ammonia. Ammonia is sp3 hybridized. It has 1 lone pair plus 3 bond pair, and the bond angle is approximately 107 degrees, 107.8 degrees. Okay, this is the bond angle. And the shape of the molecule is pyramidal. The shape of ammonia molecule is pyramidal, and it is a Lewis base. It is a Lewis base due to presence of lone pair of electron on nitrogen. So this lone pair of electron makes ammonia a Lewis base. So note down, amines are the derivatives of ammonia. Amines are the derivatives of ammonia. When one of the hydrogen of ammonia is substituted by alkyl group, then it forms 1 degree amines or primary amines. When 2 of the hydrogen has been replaced, then it is secondary amines. When 3 hydrogen has been replaced, then it is called tertiary amines. Tertiary amines. Now look at this. R4N plus X minus, this is called quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium salt. Note down, everyone. Written, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, they are all sp3 hybridized, approximately 108 degree bond angle. They are pyramidal due to presence of a lone pair of electron, and they all are Lewis bases. They all are Lewis bases. Proteins, vitamins, alkaloids, hormones, they all contains these amino groups in their structure. Two biologically active compounds like adrenaline, which is secreted by adrenal gland, and ephedrine. These are two biologically important compounds. Both contain secondary NH group. This group, they contain 2 degrees amino group. They are used to increase blood pressure. Blood pressure को बढ़ा देता है ये. Adrenaline and ephedrine. So they are biologically active compounds. Novocaine used as anesthetic. ये बेहोश करने के लिए यूज करते हैं कब? जब डेंटिस्ट कोई दांत उत निकाल रहा होता है या दांत से रिलेटेड कोई भी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए एनेस्थेटिक दिया जाता है नोवोकेन. It is a synthetic amino compound. It is a synthetic amino compound. You must have heard about Benadryl. Benadryl is a famous cough syrup. It is an antihistaminic drug. Histaminic drug. Histamines are actually chemicals which causes allergic reaction in our body. To just neutralize the histaminic effect, we need some antihistaminic drug. Benadryl contains that. Even terfenadine and brompheniramine also contains antihistaminic qualities. So these are also antihistaminic drugs. So do remember, student, terfenadine, brompheniramine, and even Benadryl. This Benadryl contains tertiary amino group. This Benadryl contains tertiary amino group. Tertiary amino group. Note down. Tertiary amino group. Quaternary ammonium salts. They are used as surfactants. Surfactants are chemicals which reduce surface tension. They reduce surface tension. Diazonium salts. They are used as intermediates in the preparation of a variety of aromatic compounds including dyes which are synthesized using coupling reaction, including dyes. So these diazonium salts are very important. Diazonium salts are very important organic intermediates. Let me give you the revision of the entire topic. So amines, they are derived from ammonia. So the general formula of 1 degree amines is RNH2. They are also called primary amines. R-NH, the alkyl groups can be same or different, regarded as 2 degree amines or secondary amines. R-N, they are regarded as 3 degree amines, also called tertiary amines. So amines are the derivatives of ammonia. Amines are Lewis bases. Why they are Lewis bases? Due to presence of lone pair on nitrogen. Let's look at the ammonia molecule. This ammonia molecule is sp3 hybridized with 1 lone pair and 3 bond pair. So if no lone pair is there in sp3, the shape of the molecule is tetrahedral. Since 1 lone pair comes, the shape of the molecule has changed from tetrahedral to pyramidal. So ammonia molecule is pyramidal with a bond angle of 107.8 degrees. Some book write 107 degree also. Okay, in NCERT also 2 places they have written 107, another they have written 107.8. Now, quaternary ammonium salts, they are used as surfactant. Which I have told you. So amines are sp3 hybridized, 108 degree approximately bond angle. They are pyramidal, they are Lewis bases, and they are present in protein, vitamins, alkaloids, and hormones. Alkaloids are nitrogen containing secondary metabolites which are found by plants. Benadryl contains tertiary amino groups. 2 biologically active compounds are adrenaline and ephedrine. They increase blood pressure. And they contain the 2 degree amino group. Some important antihistaminic drugs are terfenadine and brompheniramine, which you will study in chemistry in everyday life. Now, coming to Novocaine. Novocaine is used as an anesthetic in dentistry. It is a synthetic amino compound. As I told you earlier, quaternary ammonium salts are used as surfactant. They reduce surface tension. Diazonium salts, they are used as a very good important intermediates, important in the preparation of variety of aromatic compounds which you have studied, like the most important being Sandmeyer reaction. You have studied how Sandmeyer reaction, Gattermann reaction are used to synthesize. In Sandmeyer, you can synthesize chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, benzonitrile. Gattermann synthesis also chlorobenzene, bromo. So these are the reactions which uses diazonium salts as intermediates. Now coming to the structure of amines, as I have already told you, they are pyramidal. They are pyramidal with nitrogen attached by 3 bond pairs plus 1 lone pair, and their hybridization is sp3. Bond angle is less than 109 degree 28 109 degree 28 minutes. This is the bond angle is less. So your bond angle is less than the actual tetrahedral bond angle. In case of trimethylamine, the bond angle is 108 degree. Do remember it. Now, coming to nomenclature part. So they are named as alkanamine. So just remove the E and add amine. So they are named as alkanamine. Like suppose you have CH3NH2, so its name is methenamine. Suppose if you have this compound, CH3, CH2NH2, it has ethyl group, so it is called ethnamine. Now, suppose you have CH3 and CH3H. So what you will do, here you have to write N substituted. So N-methyl. After that, just think that the position of methyl is taken by hydrogen, so it becomes methenamine. So N-methyl methenamine. Now, CH3, CH2, NH2. Suppose if one of the hydrogen is replaced by a methyl group. So here is one. So here nitrogen is attached to methyl group and ethyl group. So it will write like N-methyl ethnamine. Note down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Note down all the questions. Understood, everyone? Now, if benzene ring is attached to a NH2 group, then it is called aniline, also called benzenamine. So what is the name of this compound? Tell me. Who will tell? This is 4, this is 5th, this is 6th. Who will tell the name of this compound? Tell me, students. Ayush?
N-methyl benzenamine.
Yes, sir.
Very good, well done. N-methyl benzenamine or N-methyl aniline, both you can use. And well done. N-methyl benzenamine. Very good. Next question. Who will tell? What is the name of 7th number question?
NN dimethyl prop 1 amine.
NN dimethyl propane 1 amine. Very good, well done. This is 1, 2, 3. So it is propane 1 amine. Note down. What is the name of this compound? 8th number.
2-methyl aniline,
2-methyl
aniline,
aniline or any other name?
benzamine,
2-amino toluene. What is the common name? Common name is orthotolvidine. Write down. Orthotolvidine, because ortho position is aniline and this is actually a toluene derived from toluene. So it is called orthotolvidine. Remember the common name of this 2-amino toluene. This is also called orthotolvidine. Understood everyone? What is orthotolvidine? Pravalika, tell me the name of this compound. Tell me the name, Pravalika.
The 4-bromoamine.
4-bromoamine. 4-bromoaniline or 4-bromobenzenamine. Well tried. Benzenamine. Write down. What about the next one? Rasmika, tell me the next one. 10th number.
So 3,4 chloroaniline.
Dichloro. Dichloroaniline. Write down. Or 3,4 dichlorobenzenamine. Note down. It is 2-chlorino dichloro. What is the name of this compound?
N-common dimethyl benzamide,
Dimethyl benzenamine. Very good. 12th number, who will say? C2H5 and CH2, 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 CH3, C2H5. Afnan,
NN di
NN diethyl. One, two, three, four. So it is butyramine, butane 1 amine. Write down. NN diethyl butane 1 amine. Because one position is the amino group, NH2 group. Tell me. Who will tell? Shreya? So 1, 2, 3.
prop 2
prop
in
2 in 1 amine,
Prop 2 in 1 amine. Well done. Question number 13. Question number 14. CH3N, CH3N, CH3. CH3N, CH3, and CH3 is also attached to one. Tell me 14 number. Tell me. Voice is not coming, so it is NN dimethyl methenamine. Note down. Your voice is not coming. Methenamine. Tell me, 15 number question. Tell me. It is NN dimethyl.
NN dimethyl ethanamine.
Very good. Well done. Write down. Understood, everyone? Methods of preparation. So first method is reduction of nitro compounds. Write down. Reduction of nitro compounds. Take nitrobenzene, treat it with H2PD in presence of ethanol, SnHCl or iron HCl. In every case, aniline is formed. So reduction of nitrobenzene will give aniline. Reduction of nitrobenzene will give aniline. The best method for this is iron HCl. Note down why this is the best. Aniline. So in every case, aniline is formed. Note down. Note down. Now, what is the reason that iron reduction with iron is scrap is anhydride is preferred? Write down. Reduction with iron scrap and HCl is preferred because FeCl2 formed gets hydrolyzed to release HCl during the process, during the reaction. So only a small amount of HCl is required. So only a small amount of HCl is required to initiate the reaction. Note down. So reduction with iron scrap and HCl is preferred because ferrous chloride form gets hydrolyzed and it hydrolyzed to release HCl. So less amount of HCl is required to initiate the reaction. Only a small amount of HCl is required to initiate the reaction. This is the reason that reduction with iron HCl is preferred. Now, if someone asked you to convert convert benzene to aniline, what you will do? So first convert benzene to nitrobenzene by nitration, and nitrobenzene reduction with nitrobenzene, reduction of nitrobenzene will give you aniline. Note down. So nitration mixture, you know, HNO3 H2SO4, and reduction you already know, PDSCH2 SNSCl iron HCl. Whatever you wish you can use. Note down. Ammonolysis of RX, alkyl halide. Ammonia react with RX. So this lone pair is given to the alkyl group, so this bond shift here. So it form R NH3 plus X minus. This is called substituted ammonium salt. Substituted ammonium salt. Now, if you treat primary amines with RX, it forms secondary amines. If you treat secondary amines with RX, it forms tertiary amines. If you treat tertiary amine with RX, it forms quaternary ammonium salt. Write down. So 1 degree amines get converted to 2 degree by treatment with RX. 2 degree gets converted to 3 degree by treatment with RX. 3 degree get converted into quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium salt. Write down. So if you treat this with alkali, you will get back the original amines plus water plus sodium plus halide. Note down. So the quaternary ammonium salt can be converted back to the original amines Note down. Understood, everyone? This reaction you have read in haloalkanes, haloarenes. Order of reactivity. Ri greater than Rbr greater than RCl. This is the order of reactivity. Understood, everyone?
Yes.
So let's discuss the methods of preparation once more. So first one is reduction of nitro compound. So when you reduce the nitro compounds, when you do the reduction of nitro compounds, you get aniline. Nitrobenzene gets converted into aniline or benzenamine, also called benzenamine. You can use hydrogen palladium in ethanol, you can use tin HCl, you can use iron HCl. Why iron HCl is best? Because little amount of HCl is required. Why? Because the FeCl2 form is hydrolyzed to give HCl. That's the reason less amount of HCl is required to initiate the reaction. So in this way, iron HCl is more important than the other methods like tin HCl or hydrogen palladium. If you are asked how to convert benzene to aniline, first convert benzene to nitrobenzene by nitration. Nitration involves the electrophile nitronium, and then reduction of nitro group to NH2 group give you aniline. So nitrobenzene directly converted to aniline, you can use palladium hydrogen, tin HCl, iron HCl. Now, ammonolysis. Ammonolysis is the process in which the halogen atom is replaced by the amino group. So it is the process of cleavage of CX actually. Process of cleavage of CX bond by ammonia. So ammonia cleaves this CX bond, and this process is called ammonolysis. Now ammonolysis has the disadvantage of yielding a mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary, and also quaternary ammonium salts, also quaternary. So how to prevent? So this can be, if you want primary amines as the major product, then what you have to do, you have to take large excess of ammonia. You have to take large excess of ammonia, quaternary ammonium salt. So mixture of these things are found. This is not good actually. So the order of reactivity is alkyl iodide, then alkyl bromide, then alkyl chloride. So note down. Now reduction of nitriles. Noted everyone? Noted everyone?
Yes.
Now, reduction of nitriles. Reduction of nitriles. You know that cyanides are also called nitriles. So you can reduce them in presence of hydrogen nickel, or you can reduce them with sodium amalgam in ethanol. You can reduce them by using lithium aluminum hydride. So in all cases, you will get primary amines. So write down. Note down. So you start with Rx, treat it with KCN, you will get RCN. Reduction of this RCN will give you primary amines. So you can convert an alkyl halide to amines 1 degree by first treating with KCN alcoholic, then doing reduction in presence of reducing agent. So what happens? The alkyl halide has N carbon, but the amines has N plus 1 carbon. So this is called ascent of series. So whenever an organic compound from N gets converted to N plus 1, then it is called ascent of series. Note down. Next method is reduction of amides. R C double bond O NH2, they are regarded as amides. Treatment with lithium aluminum hydride in presence of water will give you RCH2NH2. So it will form 1 degree amines. So reduction of amides gives 1 degree amines. Note down. So here the carbon oxygen double bond get converted to CH2.